Guys, it has ended in tears. It has ended in tears for Chicken. Yes, against all odds, I was hoping Uguti they just decided to keep their relationship private now. And but no, 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 it has ended. Anyway, you guys, let me explain to you who Chicken is because Nyaza Banya bin Bazut. Who is this? Hi, everybody. Welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. And Uchikin, it is a reality show star. So, Uchikin is the son of Usmangele Mhlongo, and Usmangele Mhlongo is the original creator of that saying, "Kancane kancane uyavela," is that mom that says, "Kancane kancane uyavela," and Uchikin is the son that caught, or recorded that "Kancane kancane uyavela." They started their thing on Facebook, and they ended up being given a reality show. They've done Kwanjomane season 1, season 2, a very dramatic family. And you guys, yeah, it's a really good show. In fact, I don't know how they put it on Mzansi Wethu because it really is a Mzansi magic show, the way that it's so good, that reality show. So they've done 2 seasons. I've been waiting impatiently for season 3. And yes, you guys. So after season 2, if I remember correctly, Chicken ended up dating this boy. Okay, because okay, Chicken is gay, his mother is lesbian, his sister is lesbian too. Yeah, I know. So he ended up dating this boy. Now, people would say on social media, you will always find this in the comments where people were saying "Ukuthi the boyfriend was looking very shady. They didn't trust the boyfriend. It didn't look like he's there for the right reasons." And honestly, you guys, to me, they just looked cute and they looked really happy together. And I thought that the relationship was going to last. But somebody once said that, gay relationships never really last. And there's a lot of cheating in gay and lesbian relationships. But anyway, you guys, so they would post content together. At some point, there was even a conflict between Uchikin and his mother because Uchikin was spending most of the time with the boyfriend, but then they ended up fixing things with his mother. And then I started not seeing them on social media. I never really followed up as to what was happening with them. And I just thought that they had decided to keep things private. At some point, they even got engaged. I think they got engaged on the show. Yes, they did show us on the show the engagement. So people didn't trust him. But I thought that, no, man, these are just two boys in love, okay? Hey, me being a hopeless romantic. But yeah, it has ended in tears. And in this video here that I'm going to play for you, Chicken is just explaining some of the things that happened that caused them, to break up. And yeah, there is money situation, of course, money being borrowed and not being paid. So basically, this boy was living a lie. To me, he looked like he had a. I didn't know what he was doing, but he always looked serious, and when they lived together, Chicken would be in the house and he would be at work. So I guess he was the type of guy that worked at work. He worked at the job, but Chicken didn't know that the guy worked at the job. But yes, you guys, it has ended in tears. Uh, Sad, but Chicken doesn't look very sad about it, okay? He's just shocked that he did not know that this guy was who he was, okay? Anyway, you guys, listen. Relationships come and go, but family stays forever. So I'm glad that the Chicken was able to fix things with his mother because he, I shame. Emjolweni, hayi emjolweni asikho istar, emjolweni amukho umuntu experience, emjolweni ayikho experts. That's the only thing in life where there is no expectation. I know I have mastered umjulu. You can never tell me anything about umjulu. Nobody can say it. Hey, even Maria and Josepha, they found themselves having a baby. Bengazani, that's how umjulu would trick you, you know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Here is Chicken telling a story of how this guy owed him money and never paid him. In fact, he even says, thank you so much.
First of all, nje to start le ndaba le from eqaleni even nokuthola kwami ukuthi like ngathi vele bekhona inkinga zeimali sonke sinenkinga zeimali, but you know, some things were not communicated, a lot of things were not communicated vele nami ngizothola vele in the middle of our relationship ukuthi you know, sengithola nakhona ngoba sengenza digging ukuthi no, izinto eziningi add up la, you know, some things are not adding up, like iziningi doesn't add up. At some point, you know, borrowing money from my extended family without me knowing the pof. So here's what happened. You find out ngokuthi borrowing money from my extended family, and my extended family wants the money back, and now it's more of eyande imali ngimbuze eyande imali mlisi. I know leyo mali leyo imali usiswakha cousin wakho ayifuna ukuthi ngimboleke yona. I asked my cousin, is this the money that you are borrowing? Because you know, if you want to borrow imali, you could borrow from me. I from Mlisa, you know, I mean ngwagin mos. Athu cousin, no, ibomtasa njani because kaloku imali ngeyam ayo yakhe. He owes me the money. He asked for imali from me, 2.9. Wow. So now I did some digging. Ngabona ukuthi okay, kuboleka imali lana and behind my back, you know, and now I am to pay for those monies. So ngithi no, it's fine. Ngizokhuluma naye. He lies until he has nowhere to run, and then I want to know he can't lie anymore. He spoke the truth. Asiqinisa ukuthi no kahle finish le ngikhokhela ela endlini yonke nje esikweletu and I don't care, but he had umashonisa nje omkhulu ebekumele amkhokhele that he owed a lot of money, and yeah, bamnika lento ukuthi bozokhokha within 4 months leyo mali, within 5 months angisakhumbula, I don't care. So I was like, okay, fine. So I think because you ubungfihlelile, I don't think ukuthi ngine right to pay all of those things, because ngikubuzile several times what's going on, because isn't a busy fish. Fine. He pays off that money, but before he pays off that money, I think he had a problem as well with the finance yakhe yokuthi mina khokhela rent, you know. Because as well I was also still angry. I was like, I'm not gonna give you imali mali. Nanokuthi vila nginamali. Mina I took imali yami ngayinika usisi. Osisi engisemisana naye ukuthi kubo yena umashonisa wami, so like ngumashonisa indirectly, so ngimolekele ke imali lo sisi lona ke, you right, ngithi ngicomboleke imali 4,000 rands so that he can pay indaba rent. Fine. Then kube njalo imali ayithole ke yakhokhela rent, good. And then nalena ke yamzala ke le bolekiwe behind my back, and then kuba ukuthi futhi nakhona I'm not going to assist you with that as well. I even told him straight for nothing, ngeke ngize ngikusize ukuthi ngikhokhise leyo mali le. Into engizokusiza ngayo kodwa ngizokuyisa kumashonisa engimaziyo ozokunika imali ko 30% nakhona futhi. He agreed. Fine. Went to mashonisa, 2.9, gave him. Yazali 2.9. So now he's paying this money for 4 months or 5 months. December he starts paying for umama ke lona wa 2.9. I akhokhe aqede ngo-January, end of January. So now successfully 4,000 rand ayithathile, which is now indirectly mine because I gave lo sis lo ukuthi angizalisele le mali, right? And then ubolekisa ngaba clients akhe, so it doesn't even give my own clients because I don't even have clients. Angifuni ukulandela manje ngemali, but because I saw ukuthi money, this is a lot, and you know, but ekugcineni ngeke ngize ngisize umuntu engazi kahle uzibengiqambela amanga. Fine. Kuba ukuthi ke naleyo mali leyo ihleli yagcina isifika ko 32,000 mangicabanga lapho ku 32,000. So ngazi ukuthi imali lena ke yamama lo 2.9 seyiqedile vele ngoJanuary. and then I know February uzoyikhokha, end of February uyayikhokha. End of February atukhohliwe. So now he wants to communicate with the mashonisa at hand. I'm like, angazi yes, but mengwazi ukuthi mina I don't know usiza kanjani, but nje to cut the story short, athi uzoyikhokha the following month. This month comes. When this month comes, I think Usisi told him the day before ukuthi you are due and imali yakho ngisayizalisa because sikhule kakhulu already, and I gave out that instruction ukuthi ngicela imali ngingasayikhulisa imali yakhe. I khokhe within 4 months because akavunyelwe nevele last month ukuthi ayizoba njalo. He comes back and he says ukuthi yena he feels like unfair ukuthi ayikhokhele le mali eyedwa. Makes sense. So ucela ukuthi akhulume nami. Ngikhulume naye ke mina, you know. Hi Bhuti, ngiyezwa ukuthi you have issues with paying the money. As well as ukuthi imali ayihlali kumina, and you know ihlala kumuntu, so lo muntu lona kumele ngimholele ingxenye yayo. So if you take imali from her, obviously she needs to get paid for it. Ubhuti is like, because I brought drama to him on social media, he is willing to go that route naye ye drama with me, but yena i-route yakhe ayizoyikhetha i-route yokuthi aye ku-small claims or siye ku-small claims, and that is how he's going to pay for that money. And then I went as far as ukuthi ngimcabangele ngithi no, you can still fix this, yes. Lento lena singayenza ngokuthi if you feel like it's unfair, it makes sense. You feel like it's unfair. Bengihlala nawe that month. I remember being now that month, even though ngaphinda ngaye ekhaya because I was angry. Ngahlala ekhaya and then ngabuya. It's very much okay for you to feel like it's unfair. We can go half. Okay, we can go half. You can pay 16, I pay 16. Athi still nalo half ngiyawuzwa. And right, yes, futhi ngiyabona ukuthi wona fair. Kodwa na ngeke ngukhokhe through wena or through usisi kwayiloyo ke loyo omashonisa wakho. In fact, ngizokhokha through procedure ya small claims. So right now uyangitshela kahle kahle ukuthi le mali ngeke ngize ngikhokhe. I consult my mother athi mana yazi inidube le mali. Muphi? Because manje ufuna idrama. Ngiyami ukuthi ke mina ngiyazazi ukuthi angikwazi ukuthula because mangithula into izongidla. Angcane ngikhulume ngayo. Ngiyazi ukuthi yangidla. So ngimsendele iVN fine, politely so. Ngithi hayi but yazini no man yazi anginasesikhathi sokuthi ngiloke ngiyama because imagine small claims. So much so small claims fine. I must take a flight to Cape Town to attend Icala. Or he must take a flight this side to attend Icala. Really? I don't have time for that. It's gonna take a lot of because Vele right now he just wants to waste my time. Right? So akuba ukuthi nosisi ke nayo yakhuluma naye eceleni ukuthi no nanga uthi khona ngitshena la ukuthi imali useyidubile yena asayifuni, but mina kube bekuya ngami. I would say pay the money because it's so unfair ukuthi when you are in need of the money you said you're going to pay the money, and what you called did specify kuwena bakutshena ukuthi he doesn't like borrowing abantu imali, especially in family yakhe and abantu abaclose naye, because imali yaxabanisa. Ubhuti responded like ukhuluma ne-stranger, ukhuluma nabantu ayitshela ukuthi ngaze bakhokhele imali. Because kumina nje uresponde wathi after the VN I sent him ngithi mina no ngiyamupha imali. Wathi yiphi imali ongipha wona bhuti? Ngathi mina bhuti abangenasikhathi ama games yazi. Because manje ngathi uzodlala ama games ngiyakutshela nje ukuthi imali ngiyakupha, relax wena, I'm not going to speak nawe indaba yemali anymore. Ngathi nje have a good year. He responded what have a good year superstar. No, it's not funny. It's funny, but it's not funny, right? He responded and he said, have a good day, have a good year, superstar. I think that is what's working me in Jagamanje ukuthi uyangitelela, and you told yourself ukuthi imali ngizongikhokhela. It's fine. Ngingasangikhokhela imali yami. Anginankinga, ngingasangikhokhela ngiyakupha. But ngifuna uhlezi wazi ukuthi ayishame. Ayiwawukhona nasemandulo Nkosi yami. Ayiwawukhona nasemandulo. Because now kuthiwa mina ngilethe drama to his life, as if it fault yami ukuthi abantu basukile bayongena kwama comments akhe bathi bama unfollow. Did I send them there? No. And then it goes as far as so usisi ke lo mashonisa is like talking to him ukuthi hayi bo, like mina nguwena shame if le imali bekuyeyami I was gonna show you flames because ayibo what the hell do you mean ukuthi ngizoyikhokha imali yomuntwana. But yazini because usichiko sedubile imali it's fine, have a good date but waphendula wathi nje good uthani goodbye sis, have a good day. Have a good day. Hey nakwena. So nje naye wathi nje ukuthi hayi shuthi ngiyaza ayikhokhe, so ngiyaza ayikhokhe kulungile. Hey guys, no man.